Today we will continue with insert menu. Let us prepare some text. Type equal to RAND opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis and press enter. Type some more text. Now click here. I am clicking here. Now smart art. There are different ways of preparing smart art, like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship. Different categories are presented here. Under each and every category, different themes are presented. Whichever the theme you want to take, you can take. Theme means ready-made designs. For example, I want to prepare like this. You click on OK. When we are in the smart art, we'll get one menu for smart art tools, design and format. Okay. Now prepare some text. I'm clicking with mouse here and I'm typing the text. Okay. If you want to add some another shape, we are having 5 shapes. To add another shape, you click on add shape. We are in this shape. If you want to add the shape after, we have to give add shape after. Okay. If you want to add a shape before this shape, we have to use add shape before. Okay. Now add bullet. Suppose you want to add some subcategories, we have to click on the option as add bullet, like this. If you want to add another bullet, we can add another bullet. Okay. Right to left. If you want to reverse this, you click on right to left. Actually this is there in left side, this is there in right side. Now reversed. Okay. Demote. Promote and demote. These options are not highlighted. If you take the smart art having different levels, for example, I am deleting this. To delete this, click with mouse here. It means on the border. I am clicking delete. Now I am inserting another smart art. I am inserting this smart art having different levels, having 2 levels. Now click here to prepare some text, or you can click here. You'll get a window. This is called text pane, on or off. You can on or off, or you can click here, or you can close here. Now if you type the text also, we'll get it. If you want to add another shape here, you click enter. Here I am clicking enter. We got another shape. Okay. Or I am closing this one. We can use add shape. Add shape after, add shape before. Suppose we are here. I clicked here. If I give an add shape before this one, we got the shape. After, we are in this shape, add shape after, we'll get another shape. Now we are having these options of demote. Demote means, suppose if I click on demote, it went to the subtopic of .NET. Suppose if I given promote, now it is taken as one level. Demote and promote. Demote and promote. Demote means it will taken as subheading, and promote means it will be taken as main heading. We can change the layout of this smart art. here different themes are available. Okay, whichever the theme you want to take, that theme you can take. If you take the theme like this, related to this topic, we can insert a picture. We can select the picture, whichever the picture you want to add, you can insert like this. We can add pictures here. If you want to change the colors, whichever the colors you want to take, that colors we can take. Take the colors of our choice. There are also different styles available for this one. Like 2D, 3D, like this you can take. Okay. Reset graphic. Reset graphic means it will come back to the original formatting. This is about design menu under Smart Art tools. Now we'll discuss about format. If you want to format this text, suppose I click with mouse. Now we are in this shape. If you want to make larger, I am clicking with mouse 2 or 3 times. Smaller. If you want to change the appearance of this shape, for example, I want to use this one, suppose. The size of this shape is changed. If you want to change the style, you can select this one. We are having different themes. Whichever the theme we want, we can select. If you want to fill with any color, you can select and select the color you want to fill with. If you want to fill with some gradient colors, you can select more gradients and we can take gradient fill, and whichever the gradient you want to take, you can take, and you select the gradient and you click on OK. If you want to have some effect for this shape, suppose I want to prepare some effect for this shape, then you can take different effects here. Whichever the effect you want to take, that effect you can take. If you want to change the style of the letters, I am in this shape. If you want to change the style of the letters, you can take. If you increase the size of the letter, I am going to home menu and I am increasing the size of the letters. Now we can clearly observe the word art style. Now I am increasing to more size. I increase it to some 28. If you want to fill with some color in between the letters, within the letter, the gap within the letter, we have to use text fill. Whichever the color you want to fill, that color you can fill with. This is the outline color. This is the fill color. This is the outline color. Suppose I want to fill with this color. Okay. Whichever the color we want to fill with, that color. If you want to give some text effects, you can take the help of text effects. We are having different effects here. Then coming to the position of this Smart Art, actually we are having above some text and below some text. If you want to make as position as center or top center, now the Smart Art is moved to top of the page to the center position. I am decreasing the size of this Smart Art. Now if you want to move to left, you click on left. Now the text is moved to the left position. Bring to front and send to back we'll discuss later. A bit later we'll discuss. Okay. Now coming to the text wrapping. If you want to send this behind the text, you click on behind the text or top and bottom. Now suppose if I move this, click on this border and move this. If you click this and move this, only that shape only will be moved. Now if you observe here, We got this shape in between, above the text and below the text, because we given top and bottom. Inline with text. Inline with text means above the text and below the text and in between picture. Tight. Tight means we'll get some text around the smart art. True. A little bit difference will be there between these options. Okay. One important option here is square. If you want to move the picture, we have to make that picture as square. For example, we are inserting a shape. Suppose I inserted this shape. Okay, we are able to move. I am inserting the picture. For example, I am inserting this picture. We are not able to move this picture. Now I am trying to drag this picture with mouse. I am trying to drag. I am unable to drag. To drag this picture, we have to go to text wrapping and we have to choose the option square. If you click square, now we are in square. You observe here it is highlighted with light yellow border, like orange border we are getting, right? Now I am able to move the picture. So if you want to move any picture or any shape, or if you want to decrease size or if you want to increase size, like this or like this, we had to make this text wrapping as square. Okay, this is the way to insert smart art.